Hello everyone, today I will show you how you can install the Minecraft 1.17 beta for the Minecraft Windows 10 edition. First you will need to go to the Microsoft Store. That is because we need to download something. It's called the Xbox Insider Hub. This is the app. I already have downloaded it. You probably won't have downloaded it already. When you have downloaded it, click Launch. This will now launch the app. It will at first show us some announcements. We will go to previews and it will show us the Minecraft for Windows 10 preview. And this will give us a warning. This will replace your current version. You will not have access to Minecraft Realms and will not be able to join non-beta players. Any world you open in the beta cannot be opened outside of the beta. And this is pretty unstable compared to the normal version, so make backups, and this is not indicative of final quality. But we want to do it, so we're gonna join. This will give us the warning again, and now it will need to process it in its system. It will say pending. And it will bring us to the page on the Microsoft Store. It will now download the new version. I will skip ahead. And I am back. It has been fully installed. In this case, we can click play. It will bring up a black screen and it will load in. And tada! You're on Minecraft 1.17. This also, it will need to, okay, it will explain it. So yeah, that's it. I hope you enjoyed the video. If you enjoyed it, please consider liking, sharing, and subscribing. It would be a great help. I will see you next time. Goodbye.